Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will explore Palantir in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of January, 2025, our system has classified Palantir as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 61.37% since we first suggested purchasing Palantir 18 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.41% per day since its classification as hold accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Due to recent developments, we find ourselves unable to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could shift either way. The stock has broken a very wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. If there is any pullback, support will now be established at the level broken, which is $102.93. This could present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $127.18 will be the next possible peak level, acting as a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 56.99% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 4.76% to 37.4%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a considerable change of 315.78% over the next year, with potential returns between 114.41% and 222.86%. This equates to a price range of $252.82 to $380.68 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline: Palantir stock price ended at $117.91 on Thursday, after gaining approximately 0.443%. The Palantir stock price gained approximately 0.443% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, rising from $117.39 to $117.91. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.81% from a day low of $115.15 to a day high of $118.39. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by approximately 45.17% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 15 million shares, with a total of 60 million shares bought and sold for approximately $7 billion and $20 million. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate a divergence and could serve as an early warning of possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $118.66, while the lowest price was $20.33. Currently, the price is 0.63%, or 75 cents, below the 52-week high of $118.66, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies has been generating significant interest in the market following several noteworthy updates. As of the 13th of February, 2025, Palantir's stock has demonstrated resilience and strong performance, being the best performer in the S&P 500 last year, with a staggering 340% increase driven by heightened demand for its artificial intelligence platform, AIP. Despite concerns from Wall Street analysts about potential declines, the company's recent fourth-quarter earnings report painted a positive picture, with customer growth and operational efficiency exceeding expectations. However, there is caution as the stock shows signs of being overbought, as indicated by its high relative strength index at 83.4. This suggests a possible short-term pullback in stock price, yet analysts still point out that the fundamental growth prospects remain strong, especially in the burgeoning artificial intelligence sector. Moreover, comparisons with other AI competitors like BigBear.ai and NVIDIA are emerging, positioning Palantir within a broader competitive landscape. While some analysts recommend diversifying investments away from Palantir, attributing its valuation as excessively high, the enduring dominance in its market is undeniable and could present substantial long-term upside. However, the long-term outlook for Palantir remains positive, suggesting that investors might consider staying engaged with the stock, acknowledging the potential for further growth fueled by sustained demand in artificial intelligence. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned PLTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned PLTR an underperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned PLTR an underperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned PLTR a cautious rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Palantir stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of 112.58 and 83.89. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, January 13th, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 81.46%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you may find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal approximately 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal around 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal roughly 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal nearly 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal about 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal approximately 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal around 176 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy roughly 164 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $111.28 and $110.85. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Palantir finds support just below today's level at $111.28. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $110.85 and $103.83. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to have a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.24 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 2.81%. Over the last week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 5.66%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 11 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to decide when to exit. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $111.28. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th day of February, in the year 2025, Statloren Elena Friedman conducted an insider sale of 11,794 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sale of 500 shares of Class A common stock. On that same day, Schiff Alexandra W. also conducted an insider sale of 1,300 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on that day, Schiff Alexandra W. made another insider sale of 600 shares of Class A common stock. Finally, on the 4th day of February, Schiff Alexandra W. conducted an insider sale of 1,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 24.232. Overall, insiders purchased 12,751,469 shares and sold 21,016,903 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $114.54, reflecting a decline of 2.86%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, further elevating this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Rather, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we monitor further developments. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 14th, we anticipate Palantir will open lower by $0.76, beginning trading at $117.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.